Hello friends, again today I want to show you our another project, and I'm sure that you will like it, and it's our perfect project too. This project is located in Vedic Zoo, and I want to show you the 3+1 flat. In the project we have 22 buildings and 22 villas, and our flats are 232. As I said, in this project we have in the buildings have 3+1 and 4+1 flats, and in the villas we have 4+1 and 6+1 villas. It's our dining room. As I see, we have two sides. As you see, to view to the sea and to the landscape, we have two sides with the big windows. You can take comfortable time in this room with your family, with your friends. You can have another room to you. This is our second room. In this room, your children can spend their comfortable time and can be happy. And from here, we can go to balcony. Now it's our third room. I'm sure that your children will feel safety here and they will like the room. And from this room we can go balcony too at the same time. Now I want to show you our master bedroom. In our master bedroom we have the bathroom and the garderobe room. And it's our master bedroom. As you see, we have the two. From here we can go to balcony again. And this, as you see, this whole balcony includes to this flat. Now continue, let's go to the kitchen. Before the kitchen, I want to show you another little room, which one you can put your machine here, and something which you want, you can put everything here. As you see, what you see in the bathroom, it will be ready when you will buy this house. Now I want to show you our kitchen. As you see, in our kitchen we will give to you ready our cooker set, microwave and oven. It will be ready in this project. And the dishes machine. Not only this, we give to you so perfect view for you from our project. Let's go to balcony. Now it's our balcony, and as you see in this balcony you can spend perfect time and drinking your tea or coffee with the view the sea. In this project we have another social activities: indoor and outdoor swimming pool, sauna, Turkish baths, vitamin bar, tennis court, cinema room, PlayStation room, squash, and another. And I want that this project will be ready after 6 months, and our project is suitable for the citizenship. If you have some questions, you can connect us, write us. I will answer full your questions. Have a nice day.